There are 3 kinds of bear: the grizzly bear, the charming bear, and the sketchy bear.
But the bathhouse was immaculate.
What are you doing?
Here we are, Cumberland Mountain State Park campground. Just up from the campground, there's this short little trail that goes around the lake. It does have quite a waterfall. I think it's actually part of a river. Kind of set up there. As you go down, it's not really a waterfall. It does have a dam, and you can see where it's dammed off. Pretty cool looking. It's a pretty neat park. I really enjoyed this place. Dave was really adamant that they had the best bathhouses ever, so if anybody goes to the bathhouses, and there's a snake that some guy said, oh, it's a rattlesnake. Yeah, it's not. It's just a rat snake that's pretty full. There's another one. They're just hanging out down there by the water, being cool. And then we hit a great couple breweries. One was Swing On, the other Creekside. All great places. After the breweries, went back to the campgrounds to play some games. Check out a few new things we tried, Mad Libs being one of them. A few other really cool little games all along. See what you think.
Do it, Dave. There he goes. Now he's going for it.
No, I can't do it. I'm too old. I'm 64 years old.
You are.
Dave, now we don't want to.
Determining in your life, what was a determining factor that shaped you as a person?
Oh, Lord.
Good Lord,
crap.
there's no answer to that.
Dave.
I don't like it.
That's too
Turn
deep.
it off.
That's too deep. That's too deep. We're trying to keep it lighthearted.
Determining factor in my life was my first beer. I remember turning 3. Work into daily conversation, stinky pirate phrases such as "ahoy there, leaves," "vast you nuts," "shiver me."
Shiver me berries. Shiver me berries. Shiver me berries.
Newspaper critics agree that Craig and Deb are a comedy cat. Two tits up, Bert and Gay, smart throwing and running comedy. You not only laugh, but it brings dogs to your eyes.
You could tell us about vampires from the woods, like the terrible Count Wilson who bit people on the nipples and drink their tequila. By this time, many of the young campers will start shaking in their panties and begin yelling for their meemaws to go hide under the bed. Believe me, when it comes to a bunch of kids, there's nothing like a really bored ghost story.
Hey, boo-boo.
Okay, bears. If you go to some wet place like Yellowstone National RV, you must know how to deal with wild animals such as bears and wolves. The most important of these is the bear. There are 3 kinds of bears at the Yellowstone: the grizzly bear, the charming bear, and the sketchy bear. Bears spend most of their time running or sliding. They look very scary, but if you make them skanky, they might bite your tent. Bears will come up to your car and beg for hot dogs. They will stand on their hind legs and clap their armpits together and pretend to be cold. But do not get out of your moped or offer the bear grits or potato salad. This same advice applies to other wild creatures such as worms and woodpeckers.
They call this, when it comes to gay men, that they're very...
And be very flamboyant.
Feminine.
Yes, flamboyant.
Oh my gosh, I don't know how to do it.
Okay, it's this category.
Okay.
Back
This
it
is-
up.
What's it called?
Masturbating.
Now, if
Cocky.
okay, good, thank God.
Belly button.
Belly button.
Okay.
Belly
Lint.
button lint.
Belly button lint.
Oh, you got to do that one.
I can't.
Come on,
I
do
don't
it.
know
Yeah.
What was it?
how. Okay. Off camera. I'll do
Turn
it.
it off.
All right, turn it off, Greg.
Okay.
So I'm like,
Craig. She's horny.
Oh!
I would be extremely successful at, oh Lord, scamming the elderly, leading a religious cult, or getting away with murder.
Murder.
out of the choices, I guess I'd pick scamming the elderly.
What was the second one?
I don't know.
Leading a religious cult.
I'll go with that one.
Which one would you have said?
Ethically, I would never scam the elderly, but they're kind of easy to scam. So I could get away with it if I had no morality, but I could never do that.
Well, here's the question.
But I think if I really, really tried to, like if he pissed me off enough,
It's on camera.
I think I could get away with murder. I know people.
Okay, so you all have to choose what I would pick.
Oh, okay.
I wish it was socially acceptable for me to pick my nose and eat it, smack ma bitch up, sit on Santa's lap at the mall.
Sit on Santa's lap at the
Yep,
mall.
Santa's lap.
No doubt.
Yep. Okay, you all got it. I guess that's just what we'll do.
Yeah.
If I was a lesbian, I would definitely scissor fuck Ellen DeGeneres, Rosie O'Donnell,
Oh my god.
or Jonah Hill.
Jonah
Oh.
Hill.
Jonah Hill.
Okay.
I don't remember who Jonah
All right.
Hill is,
That's fine.
but I wouldn't the other two, for sure.
What was your favorite thing this weekend?
Took a really good nap in the rain.
All right.
Yeah, that's my answer.
I don't know really where to start. Best swings I've ever had. Swing On, Bruce's retirement party. We went out to this place called Swing On. It was a. I'm just gonna get a little bit more elaborate. So when we left here at the campground, and it took us, I swear to God, 45 minutes, and I thought we took the wrong exit. And so we're seeing everything. Started hearing banjos, and all of a sudden we come out of this place. It's gonna look like Craig's brewery. He's gonna be coming up with down the road. But we walked in. We were like the first 5 or 6 people in there. And then all of a sudden, the dam opened up. Food trucks, people everywhere. Band from Atlanta. It was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun. That was my favorite time. That's one of my favorite breweries. Had blueberry habanero extra crispy wings, the best ever. Thank you. The beer was good.
Music.
The music was good. The chicks were hot.
What was the mean age?
Mean age was probably 70. And then went to Creekside. I got lit. Made Deb mad. I called to apologize, and she hung up on me. The lesbian did not like me at all.
No.
Sorry.
You liked her morning sex.
Saturday morning.
I liked the restaurant we went to. The creme brulee was awesome.
What was the name of it? Poorhouse?
Poorhouse. P-O-U-R, house. And it had a pork tenderloin or pork steak
ribeye.
or ribeye, whatever it was. It had this peach compote stuff that was really good. So food's been really good. Between that and the patty melt, and then I had that barbecue with the potato salad. So yeah, so we've eaten good. And Craig made French toast this morning. I can't tell when it comes to the beer much because I don't know what one I ended up with. Because I guess I ended up with the hazy because I thought it was a wet. So the hazy was good.
Tell him who drank your beer for you.
My blackberry one was
Dave did. He took one for the team and he drank a beer that I didn't like. He swapped beers with me.
I didn't really like it either, but it was good.
He didn't like it either, but he
I didn't
drank
like it, but it was good.
I think it was called
All right,
Farfignugan.
Craig. What about you?
What about me?
What was your favorite?
What is your favorite? Hang on here.
I like buying this. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I mean, it's pint glass koozie. I don't know. My favorite. That Swing On was really cool. This is a pretty decent campground. Not the greatest site. I mean, because we're just looking at somebody's whatever. But the whole campground as a whole is real nice. Really, really nice.
Would you come back here?
Yeah, absolutely.
How were your wings yesterday, Craig?
My wings were good. I mean, I would definitely put them. They were definitely a very high level. I wouldn't put them in the best I've ever had
How was your
category,
brisket?
but brisket was.
Were you too drunk to know?
It was really tender. It was just a slight bit dry. I'd been sitting there a little long, but for the most part, the flavor was spot on. It was really good. Just had to use a little sauce with it. I liked the waterfalls. Even it's coming through the dam actually, but I like that. That was pretty cool.
Oh,
Nobody else got to see it.
The snake.
And I like telling everybody the snake that they all said was a rattlesnake. I'll
was
show
a
you the
rat.
snake. It was a rat snake.
Short and simple.
I wanted to say. Also, too, we're here at Cumberland Mountain. I love it. I would come back here, but the bathhouse was immaculate. Thanks, John.
Brand new.
Brand new.